Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V2, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off once it shows up. There we go. Now, when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you will see the Honor logo on a screen, like this one, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up till the actual logo disappears. There we go. So, this is technically recovery mode, but what you probably didn't notice is if I flip it over to the side, it's not visible. You can kind of see it right now. So if I open it up, you can actually see there is a recovery mode visible inside. So for some reason, this mode is only appearing on the internal screen and not the exterior screen. As you can see, this still says the please see the main screen, which, there we go. So from here, you can navigate using your volume buttons up and down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options quickly, we have restart, which takes us back to Android, clear data, which consists of wipe data or cache partition. Then we have update mode and safe mode. So anyway, I'm gonna select the restart, confirm it with the power button, and this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.